Hi guys, I said that I was going to show you guys how we can create this week by week breakdown of your pacing guide or your curriculum map. I do almost all my creations, digital creations in PowerPoint. I'm much more comfortable in it than any other type of word processing. So I'm going to show you how to use it. First thing I do is always delete the table or the automatic text boxes. And then I always go to Design, Slide Size, and I turn it into 8.5 by 11 because that is the size of your printer paper, and I like it to be that same size. Now, whenever you are thinking about the curriculum map, all it is just a table. So you'll need to know how many subject areas you're going to have, and you need to know how many days. So the way I created my original one, if you look right here, you can see it. It is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across, and that is because we have 4 days in a week. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down because that's all the subject areas. So I would go Insert Table, and I would choose 5 at the top, and then 8 down. And now I have my table. That's like the basic outline. And you could stretch it to be any size that you want. And if you come over here, these buttons will let you edit the actual table. So I like to make it a little bit thicker with 3-point. And then I choose all borders, and that will change the borders. And then shading, I put no fill. And across the top, I'm going to put our days of the week. You'll notice that you can't see them because the auto default is in white. So I'm just going to go to Home and center it with these buttons here, take it off bold, and put it in black. I tend to use the font KG Primary Print or KG Neatly Printed. The most often, those are the ones that I like. Now, instead of retyping the subject areas down here, I'm just going to cut and paste by doing Control-C and Control-V, and now I have my subject areas in the far left. Now, if you'll notice over here, for example, in spelling, we do one pattern for the week, so I didn't need those lines. I didn't even want them. So you can actually edit the table by erasing and adding lines and boxes if you need to. To do that, you just select the table and double-click. To add lines, it would be to draw table. To take them away, it would be erase. Click on the eraser, and I'm going to erase all the lines that are in the spelling because we're going to do the same spelling pattern all week. If you click off the table and click twice, it will take that away. Now, to make it larger, I just stretch it out, and if you do it that way, it will do the whole table evenly, but once you start messing with each of the actual, trying to think how to phrase it, I guess boxes, it will make them uneven. So you have to be kind of careful and play with it. And then I'm going to make these bigger so that they're easy to read. And then at the very top, I'm going to go Insert. I'm going to add a text box, and I'm going to add the lessons for January. Oop. And I'm going to add the date. So I'm going to go down here to my calendar because I can't remember the first week in January that we go back. It is January, it'd be January 4th through the 8th. And then I'm going to, if you hit Control-A, it selects all the text. Control-E centers all the text. You can also do that right here. My kitty cat's talking to us. And then I'm going to do my favorite font for headings is either KG Blank Space Solid or KG Red Hands. Either one is a great header font. Now, if you want to type in each in the individual boxes, you could just click in it to make sure it has the correct font that you want. You can select all the boxes and change the font to whichever font choice you prefer. And now you have a very simple and easy to fill in overview for all your lessons. And if you hit if you go over to the left, it's going to have all these slides in the slideshow. If you go Control-C on this slide right here, Control-C, click off of it, Control-V, you'll be able to cut and paste the slide several times so you'll keep your template so it's automatically there. I hope that helps you create your template, and I will be sharing what we are planning on doing the first couple days back. See you soon.